Ugh. Snow. Chicago in the springtime can be really rough. It's snowing. This is ridiculous.
Is Agile and Scrum two different things? Is there an Agile Scrum? Is there a non-Agile Scrum? Is there Agile Waterfall Scrum? We're going to find out today. Let's start with what Scrum is. Scrum is a framework to get complex problems delivered of the highest possible value and get them out the door quickly. Agile is more of a collection of ideas. It's a collection of practices. You could think of Agile as being a goal. There's a number of ways you can accomplish it. You could accomplish it using XP. You could accomplish it using Scrum. You could accomplish it using DSDM or Crystal. And there are probably countless other ways that you could approach becoming Agile and some things like that. There are also a collection of practices that are commonly associated with the Agile industry, such as planning poker, user stories, epics, paired programming. All of these have the intent to make you more nimble, more quick to deliver, more agile. But Agile itself isn't a framework, it isn't really a methodology. Another way I think of Agile is it's a goal. If you want your organization to be Agile, you're going to have to work in such a way that's a lot less rigid. Rigid being the opposite of Agile. Rigid organizations find it very difficult to change when things around them change. Rigid organizations find it very difficult to recover when something unforeseen happens. Rigid companies have a very hard time when a new competitor moves into town. An Agile organization is light on its feet. They can move quickly. They can defend themselves against competitors or unknown threats. The more nimble you are, the more likely it is you will succeed in an ever-changing environment. And there really is no right way to do it. You could invent your own Agile framework. You could use Scrum right out of the box. You could use any of the other Agile frameworks that we mentioned earlier. If your goal is to be Agile, look at everything you do now that makes you rigid and try to start undoing them. So when you're thinking of becoming a more Agile shop, what you really got to start doing is find all the things that slow you down and start removing them. Find all the things that are cumbersome and start improving those. Oftentimes a Scrum Master fulfills the role of an impediment remover on a Scrum team. But if you're not using Scrum, you could benefit from someone else who does the same sort of thing. Consider Agile being a goal, not necessarily a way to get there. Scrum is a way to get there, assuming you have the right goal in mind. I know we went over this really quickly, so if you have any ideas, just put them down in the comments. What do you think is the difference between Agile and Scrum? If you like this video, hit that like button, and subscribe if you want to get the latest videos, and just make sure you hit that notification button to turn it on.